Technology has the power to change the world, and nowhere is this more evident than in disaster relief. In today's video, we're exploring how cutting-edge technology is transforming disaster relief efforts, making them faster, more efficient, and more effective. Early warning systems are crucial in saving lives during natural disasters. Thanks to advancements in AI and satellite technology, we can now predict disasters with greater accuracy, giving people more time to evacuate and prepare. Drones and robotics are playing a vital role in disaster relief by providing real-time data, delivering supplies to hard-to-reach areas, and even rescuing survivors. These technologies are revolutionizing the way we respond to emergencies, making operations safer and more efficient. Artificial intelligence is also helping to optimize resource distribution during disasters. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to ensure that aid reaches those who need it most, preventing waste and improving response times. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. In the aftermath of the recent hurricanes, AI-driven systems were used to prioritize rescue operations, while drones delivered medical supplies to isolated communities. These technologies are proving to be game changers in disaster management. Technology is transforming the way we approach disaster relief, making it more effective and efficient than ever before. As these innovations continue to evolve, we can look forward to a future where we are better prepared to handle any disaster that comes our way. How do you think technology will shape the future of disaster relief? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories on how technology is making a positive impact around the world.